Hi guys, in another video by MTech Pro, there are millions of people asking themselves the same question. Should I buy the iPhone 12? Whether you own an iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone X, iPhone XR or even iPhone 11, you're probably wondering whether the iPhone 12 is worth the hype. There are 4 new iPhone 12 models to choose from, ranging from the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini and 6.1-inch iPhone 12 to the 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Because they're more affordable, we're going to focus on the $699 iPhone 12 mini and $799 iPhone 12, as these are the handsets most shoppers will wind up buying. Should you take the plunge? So here are the 7 biggest iPhone 12 upgrades to help you decide. All 4 iPhone's 12 models have the same new flat edge design that harks back to the iPhone 4, a high point in Apple's industrial design, and sport narrower display bezels. The trimmed bezels result in designs that are more compact and easier to use with one hand than the iPhone 11. For people fed up with the rise of bigger smartphones, the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini should be rather appealing, especially as it has the same specs as the standard iPhone 12. Apple fans with smaller hands are likely rushed to the mini. The display notch that holds all the sensor tech for Face ID, Apple's face scanning tech, is still the same size it's been since the iPhone X. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but we feel the new design of the iPhone 12 is very attractive and a worthy evolution of the iPhone 11's design. Videos and photos viewed on the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini set to look very impressive. That's because Apple has equipped its 2 non-Pro phones with the Super Retina XDR display. iPhone 12 can better survive drops with ceramic shield, that means is now rated to be 4 times more resistant to damage sustained from drops. We don't advise you go around hurling the iPhone 12 at walls and sidewalks, but it's good to know it should survive a few more accidental knocks and drops than older iPhones. When it comes to photography, on paper the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini's pair of rear cameras don't look like an upgrade over the iPhone 11. But the specs and computational photography capabilities are improved. The iPhone 12 features a 12-megapixel wide camera with a f1.6 aperture and an ultra-wide camera with a f2.4 aperture with a 120-degree field of view, compared to a slower f1.8 wide lens on the iPhone 11. As a result, the iPhone 12 lets in 27% more light for better low-light photos. A big photography upgrade comes from the A14 Bionic chip. It will boost Apple's already stellar computational photography and allow the iPhone 12 to deliver photos with better colors and contrast, as well as more texture and less noise. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini both come with Apple's new A14 Bionic chip, having already made its debut in the iPad Air 4. The A14 Bionic promises a big upgrade over the A13 Bionic and the iPhone 11. The iPhone 12 range is the first suite of Apple phones to come with 5G connectivity. Depending on where you live, 5G connectivity might be sparse. 5G connectivity will help you stream content on the move or downloading photos, videos and other files, without needing to connect to Wi-Fi. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini don't come with a charger in the box, which is a bummer. But these 2 new phones support MagSafe, Apple's new magnet-based system for snapping accessories and wireless charging to the back of the iPhone 12 handsets. That means the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini get access to 15-watt wireless charging, rather than the 7.5-watt Qi charging of the iPhone 11 and older iPhones. Thanks for watching, see you in another video.